Hi, welcome to Canada Premium English. Today we will practice the tense and lax vowel sounds. It's very important that you master these vowel sounds to be a better speaker of English. Let's start with the tense vowel sounds. Please repeat after me. A, E, I, O, oo, ah, ow. Very good. Let's do it one more time, a little bit faster. Please repeat after me. A, E, I, O, oo, ah, ow. Very good. Let's move on to the lax vowel sounds. Please repeat after me. I, One more time. Let's try it a little bit faster. Ready? Please repeat after me. Very good. Now we'll practice the semi-vowel sounds. There are two, and one uses an R and the other uses an L. It's very important that you master these two sounds, okay? The first one is an sound, and you can see I'm bringing my lips out, and you can't see, but with my tongue I'm pulling it back. My tongue doesn't touch anything. I'm just pulling it back, and my lips come out. Try it. Very good. To make an O sound, my lips stay where they are. They don't come out or in. My tongue goes up to the roof of my mouth like this. O. Practice with me. Ready? O. Very good. Let's try both sounds together, okay? Please repeat after me. O. Very good. Please practice these sounds often, and soon you will be a better speaker of English. Thank you.